All right, here we are. It's easy like it's Sunday morning. I am not even gonna pretend like I can sing. That's a Lionel Richie song though. I may have to put that on my my Spotify. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's easy like Sunday morning. There's a break in the rain. It rained for almost 24 hours straight. Even had some flooding and different things here on the street, but it's all cleared up now. It's just kind of misting on and off, and it looks like a break in the rain. So I am going to see if I can knock out my 3 miles on this break and get it over with before it starts raining again. So we'll see you guys after the run. All right, here we are, 3 miles complete, and you know, it was log legs today, kind of like everything else around here. I guess I was waterlogged. But there's a lot of rain and flooding, and some of the pathways were kind of run over by all the wash, and I even ran into a little crawdad that had lost his way. I tried to help him back, but anyway, I got 3 miles complete. A lot of people are wondering if it's going to continue to flood throughout the weekend or not, so we'll see how it goes. But all in all, I think tomorrow will be the day that I start 4 miles a day. I'm not sure, but it's my last day in Chicago, and I think I better kick it up to 4 tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. Good luck on your day, whatever's out there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a good day.